Hello. All right, we're gonna work on some number bonds again. You guys did number bonds yesterday, and we're getting really good at working on number bonds in class too. So I want to keep this momentum going since today is the 100th day of school. We're gonna work with numbers a lot today, and you're still a little ahead of us on the bird report. It's really hard to get all those kids on Epic and finding their books and everything, but we made progress today. So, okay, so I'm going to share my screen, and let me see if I can remember how to do this. Right, let's see, share screen. Where's this one I want? Yes. Okay, so yesterday, the number bonds that you were looking at were blank. They had nothing in them, but you had pictures to go with the number bonds, and those pictures helped you build the number bond. Today, you're going to basically build the pictures to match the number bond that's already made for you. All right, so it's really quite easy. It's basically the exact same thing you did yesterday, just in reverse. So here's your number bond, right? 6 equals 5 plus 1, right? You can write it like this. 6 equals, it's really hard to write with my finger, 5 plus 1, right? Or you could say 1 plus 5, 5 plus 1, 1 plus 5, same thing. All right, so I just chose to do some squares here because that's kind of what we practiced with yesterday. I just chose to put squares here, and we're going to make these match what the number bond says. So first, we better make sure we have how many squares? 6, because 6 is in our whole. So that's the amount that we're working with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If there wasn't 6, we'd need to make sure that there was 6. Okay, so if there was only 5, we would have had to add a square. If there were 7, we would have had to take away a square. So you have to make sure that the set that you're working with matches your whole. It's the same number. Okay, so 6, okay, I have 6 squares, equals 5 plus 1. Okay, so let's color in 1, 2. Do I have a color in tool? Maybe I do. Let's see. Nope, it doesn't work. Darn. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I got 5 done. Now I need to have 1. Different color. This is gonna get out of my way. Okay. Here we go. There. Now my number stick matches my number bond. I have 6 squares. 6 squares. 5 of them are blue. 5 of them are blue. 1 is red. 1 is red. 6, 5, 1. 6 equals 5 plus 1. Okay, let's do it again. 6 equals 4 and 2. All right, let me see if I can make this fatter. Ooh, I can. Okay, I'll do it this way. Let's see. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Still have 6 boxes. 6 equals 4 and 2. Let's do it. I'm going to work on 4 first. Hey, I made that bigger. Oh, all right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. Here we go. 1, 2. So now my boxes match my number bond. I have 6 altogether. 4 of them are purple. 2 of them are yellow. All right, here's another 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're golden. 3 and 3. Okay, so we have to have 3 of one color and 3 of another color. There. So now my boxes match the number bond. So today, let me see. I gotta stop. No, maybe I don't have to stop sharing. Yes, I think maybe I do. All right, I'm going to stop sharing for just a second, and I'm going to go back. So I'm going to show you another screen for your practice page on Seesaw. So let me share screen again. Where's Seesaw? Why isn't it showing me Seesaw? Is this Seesaw? No. Ah, there we go. Okay, so here's what you're going to see on Seesaw. And it's just matching number bonds. Okay. And so what you're going to do is you are going to look at the number bond, figure out the number that's in your hole, right? And then you're going to make two groups or whatever to match your parts. So for instance, you're on Seesaw. So Seesaw, you can use shapes, you can use emojis. I love the emojis, I think they're cute. You can just draw pictures like smiley faces with the pencil, or you can just draw dots like I just did. But what you want is you want your pictures to match the number bond. So let's say you were gonna do 3 emojis, okay? So 3 emojis. So you better get 3 emojis, right? But 2 of them are the sunglass emojis, and 1 of them is the winky one, okay? So 2 with sunglasses, 1 winky, and what does that mean? You have 1, 2, 3 emojis, okay? And that would match, your picture would match the number bond. So that's your job today. You can use shapes on Seesaw. I think there's even stickers that you can use. You can draw pictures, whichever. You only have 1, 2, 3 number bonds to work out for me, so it shouldn't take you long at all. And that is it. That is your job for today. We're going to have the 100th day celebration this afternoon. The kids are really looking forward to just getting to stand up and talk about and share their 100 collection. And I also have a book for you to listen to. I'm reading it to the class, and you can listen to it. It's the 100th Day Worries. It's a cute YouTube video. And yeah, you work on either happy numbers or teach your monster how to read. And that will be good for today because, well, you know, maybe this is something that you can do at home too. We're going to measure how far 100 steps takes us. So you could do the same thing. You could get I didn't even think about that. You can get your iPad and start somewhere in your house, and maybe your front door or your back door, and see how far 100 steps takes you. That's a good idea, because we're doing that today. We're going to do that today in school too. We're going to see how far 100 steps takes us. Some kids think it will take us all the way to the end of the tree, all the way to the end of the field, and some kids think it's only going to take us to the playground. So we're going to find out. So you make a prediction. Think, where do you think 100 steps will take you, and then go and check it out, okay? And have fun doing so. And that is it for you today. All right, see you later.